Hold on, I'm almost.
Oh my god, it's ketchup.
It's not. Whoa, dang it.
If I can open this.
Hey guys, it's Rice Wings, and sorry we haven't been posting lately because we're like always busy and we have, And you should also check out Audrey's new channel with her friends from, and then so we are, and we are going to do what?
I don't know, what's in my mouth challenge?
Yeah, what's in my mouth
I've
challenge?
never even seen one of those videos, so I don't know how it works.
Yeah, so I only like watched one of those videos, but then I don't. We're gonna blindfold each other with like, and then like with blindfolds, and then we're gonna put this Pikachu hat over, and then okay. And so we have to blindfold each other, and we have to guess what the food is. Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna go first, so Caitlin.
Okay. I don't know how this works, so.
Hold on. Can you see anything?
No.
Oops.
I can't see anything. It hurts my eyeballs.
Okay, there you go.
Okay.
Wait, get down a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, there you go. Okay.
Oh, hold on. This hurts my eyes.
So I have this spoon, this plastic spoon. I'm just gonna open it.
No. This is.
Okay. Caitlin. Okay. So, Caitlin, you can't look. Stop
I know.
it.
I'm not looking.
Okay, so the first thing is this. I actually don't even know what it is, but I just found it.
Oh, what
Let me smell it. Okay, I know what it is. Okay, ready? Ready? Open your mouth.
No, I need to smell it first.
No, you have to open your mouth, Caitlin. Caitlin! Open! What is it?
Well, what is this? Is it like a paste of some sort? I know it's not mayonnaise.
It's marinara sauce.
Ew! That is so gross.
Okay, cover your face. Not supposed to look.
No, it's your turn now.
No,
Audrey.
no, we gotta finish.
No, it's your turn now.
No, we gotta finish.
What do you mean?
Let
we
me
got-
finish.
Finish
Because
what?
you're the head's already, the thingy's already on you. We gotta finish. Now.
No, but it's your turn now.
No, gotta finish. You only gave me good things, right?
I don't know.
Caitlin, please, no.
You gave me horrible things.
No, I thought that was gonna taste good.
It tastes disgusting.
Okay,
I think that was
open your
tomato
mouth.
paste, to be honest.
Open your mouth.
Hold on, let
Caitlin,
me
this is
smell it
good.
first.
No, this is good. Okay, ready?
Okay. Is it a blackberry?
Yeah.
Okay, one
Okay.
plate for me.
Okay, I actually don't know what this is. But whatever that is. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, oops, I don't want to spill this.
Is it liquid?
No. Okay, just open your mouth. Do you know what it is?
Is it one of those Filipino candy thingies?
Yes.
Okay.
Caitlin, I kind of made a little mess, but don't look. I'll clean it out.
So 1.5 point? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Caitlin, stop looking.
I'm not looking.
You just saw what I had.
What did you have?
I don't know. I don't even know what this is. Ew, I'm getting so many things. Okay. Okay, ready?
No.
It's good, I think. Kaylin, open.
It's a cookie.
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. Oh my god, is it one of those energy bars that I love?
I think, yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Hold on.
See, I gave you good
Is
stuff.
it the chocolate one?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Okay.
2 points.
Okay. Caitlin.
Okay,
No, one
we're
more.
not done with this?
No.
Hold on, I need to, hold on, let me,
Want to finish it?
yeah, we could just cut this part out. Yeah.
If I can open this. This one's good. You're gonna like this one.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Mhm. Is it caramel?
Kind of.
What is it?
It's like peanut brittle, but with pistachios.
Oh,
That's good though. Okay, my turn.
I don't like it.
Ew. Yeah.
Well, it's Audrey's turn now.
And, first thing, hold on, I need to open her spoon.
I'm scared, Caitlin. Please don't give me anything bad.
I don't
Caitlin,
know, hold on.
You are gonna give me something bad.
No, I'm not, don't worry.
Okay. Caitlin, did you give me mayonnaise?
No, maybe. I don't know.
Ketchup. You gave me ketchup.
No, I didn't.
Yeah,
I
you
don't-
did.
Maybe, I don't know.
Caitlin, I am not eating ketchup. I cannot eat ketchup.
Okay, first thing.
Is this Nesquik?
No. You can't look.
Okay, I'm not. My eyes are closed.
No, it's this, by the way. Yeah.
Oh, I know what this is. Peanut butter.
Yeah. Hold on, I'm gonna use your plastic bag to clean this off. Yeah, because that's how it works. Okay, I need to close this now. Okay, next item,
Please not ketchup. Please, please,
which
please.
is this thing.
Please not ketchup, Caitlin. Caitlin, it's... Oh my
It's
god,
not.
it's ketchup.
It's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. Wait, you didn't even guess what the last one was.
Ketchup.
No.
Peanut butter.
Yeah, it was peanut butter, yeah.
What is it?
It's cheese whiz.
Wait, no, cream cheese, right?
No.
What the heck is cheese whiz?
It's like
What's
cheese.
cheese whiz?
It's just cheese.
What the heck is
It's like-
cheese whiz? Wait, I want more.
What? Okay.
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 That's weird. Cheese whiz. Never heard of that. Wait, can I feel it?
Yeah.
Can I look at it?
I guess.
Okay. Is the video even recording?
Yes.
Okay. Please not ketchup, Caitlin. No, it's ketchup.
It's not.
Okay.
Next is this
Ketchup.
thing.
It's ketchup, isn't it, Caitlin?
No.
Okay.
It's not. Don't worry.
Yes, it is ketchup.
It's okay. Yes, it is.
Oh!
It's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
You just said it was.
I liked you.
Thanks. Is it ketchup?
No.
Okay.
Don't sniff it in, or else they'll give you like bad things. I'm just kidding.
It's ketchup.
It's not. Oh, stick your tongue out.
Oh my god, that's Nesquik. It just went down my shirt.
Yeah.
It's the cocoa thingy. Can I have more?
Okay. We're weird.
Caitlin, is it even recording?
Yes, it's recording.
Yummy. We got it on my leggings.
I'm sorry. Okay.
Oh my god, this one's the ketchup.
Okay, so there's 2 more items left.
Is it ketchup?
No. Maybe. I don't know.
Caitlin!
And you have to figure out for yourself.
Please don't let it be ketchup. If it's ketchup, go get... Oh my god, it is
It's
ketchup.
not.
Yes, it is. I heard a bottle.
Yes, it's a bottle, but no, Audrey.
It's this thing. Yeah. Are we even allowed to show the brands or no? Yeah?
Yeah, why
Okay.
not?
Because copyright? I don't know.
I don't know.
Hold on, I'm almost.
Oh my god, it's ketchup.
It's not. Whoa, dang it.
Go, go, go!
Eat it!
It's syrup, I already saw it!
Audrey, eat it!
My leggings.
We'll be right back. So, and since the maple syrup went wrong, I've been doing
And all over my leggings.
and
Okay, can't even see it.
and also Audrey peeked, so I grabbed.
Okay, I peeked because something fell on my leg.
So then I grabbed another thing. Okay, Audrey, cover your eyes and don't.
Caitlin.
Okay,
No more spilling things.
okay.
Please be something not ketchup or mayonnaise or oh my god, it's mustard. Oh my god, it's mayonnaise, Caitlin. You got mayonnaise.
No, I didn't. Hold on. I need to get a new spoon. I'll be right back. Wait, no. You looked.
I looked at myself.
Oh my gosh.
You're lying. I know you're lying.
I just looked at myself. Ooh, what's that?
It's a new spoon.
Oh.
Because the one was covered in maple syrup.
Oh yeah. That would have been good too. Okay, Caitlin, please be something good. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh
Open
no,
your mouth.
it's not good.
Open your mouth. It's very good.
No, it's not, Caitlin.
I eat it all the time.
Then it's probably not good.
And it's this thing. Oh, you just spilt it. Do you want it off the floor? Hold on, I dropped
smell
it.
it?
I need a new one.
Oh my god, isn't it olive?
No.
No, is it fish?
No.
Okay.
Oh, dang it. Okay. Eat it. Open your mouth.
I'm scared.
Open your mouth.
Is this even okay to eat?
Yes, it's good.
I'm scared. I know what it is. It's ginger.
Okay, yes.
I hate ginger.
Okay. I thought you liked it, but whatever. Okay, so Audrey has 2 points now.
I have way more than 2 points.
3 points?
I probably have like 5.
No, you didn't. Hold on. You got 1. You got 3 points.
Can I look?
No, you only got 3 points.
Okay. You can give me another thing.
Yeah, I am giving you another thing because like this is the last thing that I'm giving her. Yeah,
Ketchup?
it's this thing.
Ketchup?
No.
Okay.
What the frick? Why are you always so?
Because I had to go to the hospital because I ate ketchup.
Why?
Because I ate too much of it.
You're nasty. Hold on.
I smell it.
Hold on. Okay, open your mouth. Open your mouth.
Oh! What is that? Kaylin, what is it? Chocolate?
No.
Syrup?
No.
Honey?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you got 3.5 points.
Oh, thanks, Kaylin, for giving me good food.
So Audrey is the winner because she's a ding dong. Ding dongs. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
we are done with the video. We just need to clean up the floor because it's really messy. And so see you guys later.